Do you even bike, Broseph? What's up, guys? Tyler from BT Fitness here. You guys might remember my Jetta, the old 2004 gold color Volkswagen Jetta. It's a piece of crap. I took it to a repair shop because there was some stuff going wrong with it, and it said that it was going to cost about $7,000 to repair everything that was wrong. Needed a new suspension, transmission, the clutch was slipping, everything. So instead of spending $7,000 on a piece of crap, I bought myself something that's not a piece of crap. Behind me is my new car. It's a 2017 Toyota Corolla SE, so it's the Sport Edition. And it's a pretty awesome car. We have the smoked headlights. We got no hubcaps, only rims here. Here's the interior. It's a black interior with some blue trim on there to kind of match the slate blue exterior. So yeah, bought a new car.
What's up, guys? So we're out here trying to mountain bike, but you know, Tyler just stumbled off this cliff.
I had a nasty little fall down this little cliff.
8 rock. But we tried coming out here yesterday. The camera didn't work right. Like, we had some issues with angles and all that, but we're out here to try to get it again. So
doing some more cardio. 2 days of cardio in a row. I think we're gonna be done for the next 5 to 10 years of cardio.
Yeah, about 5 to 10 years
probably. For about 10 years.
Yeah. So
let's get it. Just finished mountain biking. We're super worn out. We got some good footage of some jumps and stuff.
Getting the BCAs in.
Getting the BCAs. So now we're gonna go get some post cardio meal. Some carbs.
Oh gosh, I can't even.
Cardio.
Can't even say that.
Ugh, it's a gross word.
We're going to Red Sun, baby.
We're going to Red Sun. Red Sun, the hibachi sushi place of this generation.
It's freaking awesome.
Yeah. So. Yum yum sauce, essential.
How's that taste, though? Go ahead and take a bite. Out of 10, what would you give this? Rate the food?
315 out of 10. 315 out of 10. We only eat healthy meals, so today we're both eating a salad. You can kind of see the vegetables here. There you go. There's a vegetable. My salad comprises of chicken, rice, mushrooms, zucchini, onions. The only difference is it has steak.
And mayonnaise.
And yeah, it's yum yum sauce. So. Yeah, we're eating healthy out here. Dope.